Alright, so yeah, part of what I've been up to, man, is wifey found this nice Starbucks cooler. So I had to tear it apart, pull the guts out, put in the heat tape, make sure the lights in the fan was still working, and all that. So big shout out to wifey, man. She always hooking it up. Shout out to Grab Your Balls one time. But yeah, I'm gonna try to figure out a way to put my logo up there. I mean, you know, big respect to Starbucks and all that money they be making, but you know what I mean. I gotta rep me. So yeah, fan going. I don't know if y'all can hear it, but fan going. I got the egg tubs in there. I could fit 2 in each level. Well, not the top, but every other level down there I could fit 2 in. You know what I'm saying? But I don't think I'm gonna have that many clutches this year. So 4's more reasonable. You know what I mean? But yeah, that's one of the little projects, man, that we've been up to over here at Wiz Constrictors during this little hiatus. And also been trying to get this rat breeding thing going on. I ain't tried to put the water on yet. I bought that from TGR before they went out of business, and I wish I would have got a couple of them because it's so sweet. But anyway, me and wifey built these, and then my cousin actually came over yesterday and finished up on the last one. So it's going along pretty good, man. We got all different kinds of sizes and all that. So we got like everything from fresh pinkies that this girl just laid today down under there, like literally a few hours ago. And we got some pups down here. Mom's just dragging them all over the place. But yeah, we got some pups down here and some fuzzies. Or I wouldn't call them pups. Some fuzzies and some pinks. Like this and this is just a couple days apart. So these two is from the same mom, but these is from a different mom. The ones with like fur on them. So that's a couple days apart. So it's a couple litters down there. And then we got down here, we got some like fuzzies. As you can see, they just be tossing them around. But they starting to get their fur, and you could tell what kind of little patterns and colors they're gonna have. So it's a couple in there, and then we got big male, female, some pups. These are only a few days old. I think like 5 days or something like that, maybe a week. I don't remember. And then up here we got some feeders. Although I might keep a couple of these, like the blue ones or gray, whatever you want to call it. But a couple feeders left over from last week or this week. Thursday, I feed on Thursday nights. A few bigger feeders that survived. Was lucky enough to make it. So either they'll get fed off this week or they'll become breeders. These are the breeders up here, a new group that I got. So it should be 1 male and 4 female? I think 5 female. I don't know. 1. Yeah, 1 male, 5 females. But I might break it. I might pull one of the females out if these all survive down here. I'll pull the female out, put them with them. Here we got a trio. That's the male, big old Dumbo, and then the two girls. I like these dudes. And that's the 1.2 up there. And then we got, should be some babies back here. No, they ain't got babies yet, but she should be giving me some babies soon. Cause she got I ain't got no treats for you, young sir. She building the nest and all that. And this my favorite male right here. I like this little guy. He's cool. And then down here I got my favorite female. I don't know what she do. Oh, she eating. Lazy. I caught her being lazy, laying on her back, eating the food. And then we got some fresh pups up here. Male right there, female there. This is my favorite girl. When she was a little baby, I would pull her out and let her run around. But she'll come out for like 5 minutes and then she'll be looking for her babies. So I don't really mess with her too much no more since she a mom nowadays. And then this one up here is empty. And then I just switched those over from there. So those, I got 4 empty spots. So like I said, these are grow ups. These, if they survive, I'm gonna grow them up. And those two down there are destined to be feeders. And then this is another little project that I've been up to the last couple of days. This is a boy Sony right here. This is a Foxsnake. They native up here in Wisconsin. So you can find them like up north, like anywhere from like Wisconsin Dells all the way up to like way up in the UP. Big shout out to Going Uper. Way up in the UP up there. You can find them up there. I had them in a big tall cage, but I feel like it was a waste of space because he never climbed. He spent most of his time digging, as you can see. So I switched it out from like a dense coconut substrate. I switched it over to this, what is this? I believe it's aspen shavings, because they like it a little bit drier. And got some logs in there, help them shed in that. But I think I'm gonna put some cocoa blocks in there and help boost up the humidity. But there he is right there. You ought to see him after a fresh shed, man. That head is like fire orange, like super duper orange. And you can see they're diggers. You can tell by the little head shape. Super sight oriented. He cool to have, man. He real cool to have. So yeah, I've been up to a little bit out here, man. I ain't just been slacking. I don't want y'all to think I'm just been out here slacking or nothing, man. So yeah, man, that's about it, man. I've been out, doing a little bit here and there. Besides working, I still gotta work full time. I'm essential during this time right now, man. So still grinding, man. Still out here working. So more to come. I'll keep y'all posted on how all these pairings going. If I get any babies, hopefully this year, fingers crossed. And what I got going on over here, man. So till the next time, man, y'all be easy. Peace.